Hello and welcome to Russian Trucking. My name is Scott, and I've been a truck driver for a little over 1 year now. I attended the Millis Transfer School in October of 2018, and after that 3 weeks, I went on the road with a trainer for 15,000 miles, and then after that, I went solo. So about 10 weeks. So 4, 8, middle of December, I went solo in 2018. So today I'm going to bring you my 2019 income numbers and a couple of other numbers. My quarterly, I've done previous videos like this with my quarterly income, and they generate pretty good views. So I figured a lot of people would be interested in this. So I'm not going to put a whole lot of fluff in this video. I'm just going to make it about the facts and the numbers. So let's go ahead and get into it. Again, this is from the entire year of 2019. So I did have a couple of unpaid weeks in there. So these numbers, keep in mind, are for 49 weeks. I didn't count for a full 52 weeks, so just 49 weeks. So during 2019, I pulled 172 loads. 58% of those were dropping hooks, which comes out to an average of 3.5 loads per week. The average miles per week came out to 2,338 miles, which is pretty low. I thought it was going to be a little bit more than that, but it is what it is. Numbers don't lie. So for those 49 weeks, at an average of 2,338 miles per week, I ended up with 114,543 miles. Okay, now the next thing is I broke it down into what I called an effective cent per mile, which means you have your base pay cent per mile, then you have bonuses and referral fees and stuff like that. So I ended up with an effective cent per mile of 48.7. Okay, which then comes out to an average weekly gross of $1,137.71. And I took home an average of $903.77, which is obviously after taxes, after insurance. Yeah. So for the entire year, my gross pay for 2019 was $55,747.73. There you go. My very first year in truck driving, over 50,000. It's pretty good. Now I'm 39 years old, and I've been in a bunch of different jobs, mostly customer service. And I have a 4-year bachelor's degree in business. And this is 12, almost 13,000 more than I've made in any other job I've ever had. So yes, you make some sacrifices being away from home a lot, but every day is different. You get to see the country. You know, yeah, you deal with the elements, the snow, the rain, sometimes the boredom, sitting at shippers and receivers like I am now. I have 3 more hours to my delivery or pickup appointment. So that's why I got all this together and I'm making this video. But anyway, it's this job is what you make it. And I didn't mention this. I am an over-the-road trucker, so I'm not local. I am OTR. With Millis, I ran basically I-35 east of the country, which goes up through the middle of Texas up to Minneapolis, Minnesota, and east of that. I am now with a different company that runs all 48. So hopefully 2020, I will be able to hit a whole lot more of the country, and I'm hoping my average miles per week goes up, and 2020 makes me a little bit more. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me. My email's in the description, or leave a question in the comments below, but I'd love to hear from you. If you have anybody that's thinking about coming in the trucking industry, definitely give me an email or ask me a question. Share this video with them. Let them know the money is pretty good, and it should go up from here. Again, this is just my very first year. So, all right, well, I appreciate you watching. Let me know if you have any questions. Till next time, stay safe, and we'll catch you next time.